How's it going, everyone? And welcome to my blend tutorial on how to make a gun. So the first thing you want to do is to add the picture. To that, just download the gun you want to do and the gun you want to model. Press N, press up to the box there on background image, add image, open, where you saved it, revolver. And now you can't see it now. Just press 5 on your numpad, 1 and then 5, 5 and 1. Now you see this gun here. So you want to do is to make this a bit smaller. Press S, drag it down, maybe there. Okay, the first thing you can do is to extrude. Go to edit mode, select these, make sure you have selected these two on the back side too, and then you extrude them, and then you could just select these two, drag them down where you want them, do it with these two, drag it where you want it, like there. Then you can do the same over here, extrude, drag them up a bit, drag it like here. Then you want to select all these four again and just do it like all the way up. No, I forgot to extrude. Undo that. And if you make something wrong and you want to undo it, press Ctrl and Z. That will undo everything you made wrong. Extrude. And these models for the gun you can like use them in a game you're making or something. Because they will work for like every engine, I think. Not maybe every. Dang it. Wait. Delete those. Those. Okay. Loop cut here. If you don't know how to make a loop cut, no, I can't make a loop cut there. But if you want to know how to make a loop cut, you press Ctrl R. Oh. drag this down a bit. What the fuck? What did I do wrong here? Okay. Oh, that's right, I made a loop cut. So stupid sometimes. Oh. I think you know what I mean now with the loop cuts. Okay, I will help you here, because I forgot that these turns here, you maybe don't know how to fix them. It's kind of easy, just select these, extrude, no, select them, extrude. What's wrong? Oh. Oh. Um. Okay. Hello again, and as you can see, the handle is done now. And if you want color on it, you just press the material. No. Yes, here. New material, diffuse, like make it brown or something. And you can make it to smooth. You press T, then smooth. No, that looks kind of crappy now. Well, I will have it flat for these tutorials. Yeah, but you can make it smooth. So I think that's it for these tutorials. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Leave a comment if you wonder anything, and I will see you soon.